Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be sharing finally a Nykaa haul after so long time, and this haul consists of makeup and skincare both in one video. So yeah, let's just start with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna be sharing first my makeup and then the skincare. The first product I have is the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade 3D 3W Golden Beige. This is shade Golden Beige, and I want this foundation since the very longest time, but this shade was out of stock a lot of times. So yeah, I finally got my hands into this foundation, and this foundation is very nice. I've used this foundation multiple times and I really like it. It's very good for dry skin. Actually, I've talked about this foundation in a very detail in my another video, which is I think foundation for every skin type video. I will just link that video in the description. So if you want to know about this foundation in detail, I've already made a video, I will link. So yeah, and it perfectly matches my skin tone, and I really like it's very blendable, it's very easy to blend, and this is my current favorite foundation. I use this all the time. So the next product is a lipstick. This is from Maybelline. I have tried this range for the first time. This is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and this is a nude shade. Let me give you a swatch of this one. And this is like very nude. The shade name is Barely Nude, and this is a swatch of the shade, and it gives you a very matte finish. It's not drying. If you are a fair skin tone, this will suit you best. This shade will suit you best. This is perfect nude for you. But if you are light to medium or deeper skin tone, this is not the kind of nude you would go for, because this is like very light nude, as you can see. So yeah, so it will kind of wash out the medium to deeper skin tone, but if you are fair skin tone, this is perfect. The next makeup product is a liner again from Maybelline. Yeah, this is the pot liner. This is a Maybelline New Lasting Drama Gel Liner. With this comes with the brush, and the product looks like this is the brush, and this is the product. This is the gel liner, and I've used this multiple times, and let me tell you, it is very smudge proof and waterproof liner, and it doesn't smudge or budge from anywhere. If you apply, it lasts for about 10 to 12 hours, and this comes with a brush, and this brush is very good. So this is the brush. It comes with the very fine tip, and it comes with also a lid to protect it, and yeah. Okay, so the next product is also a liner from Maybelline again. This is the Maybelline Alice plus Olivia collection hyper sharp liner. This is in the pen form, and this is the liner, and the packaging is beautiful. All of the Maybelline products with this range is beautiful. I also have a lipstick which is the same Maybelline Alice plus Olivia collection lipstick, and that's also very good in a good packaging. So this is the liner. The tip is very sharp. Let me give you a swatch, and it is beautiful. Like, it's so nice. It's very thin, and it's also very easy to make a wing liner. So I use a lot. Whenever I got this, I use a lot, and it's worth it. Like, for price point, it's I think 800 rupees, and it's worth actually, because it is so good, and it's also smudge free. Like, I'm trying hard to smudge it, but it doesn't smudge, and it also dries very quickly, which is the amazing thing that a liner got. So the next product is also from Maybelline. I purchase a lot of Maybelline products. Like, okay, so the next product is Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Sorry, I have not purchased this one. This I got for free, because as you can see, I've purchased a lot of Maybelline products. This I got for free. This is like a mini mascara, and the same, like, I have a bigger mascara of this version. This is a small one, and same old usual mascara. It's very good for traveling, though we can't travel anywhere because it's pandemic time, but this is very good mascara. Like, I've tried this one, so I know this is good, and the packaging is nice and cute. It's smaller than your hand, and it fits perfectly, good for traveling, and yeah, that's it. I think makeup part is over. Only this much makeup I have purchased. Let's go for skincare. I have some good skincare. So the first product is the Lotus clarifying pimple and acne creme. So it looks like this, and actually I've not used this product a lot, so I can't tell you how this works, but I have heard a lot about this. It had got some good reviews. So the packaging is like this. It's very cute and nice, and it looks very promising. And let me see if this works on my skin or not. I will just soon try and kind of review it for you guys, so stay tuned for my review update. So this I got, and the next product is from Dot and Key. This is the third serum I have purchased from Dot and Key because I love Dot and Key as a brand. So this is a Zapting skin clarifying face serum with tea tree and claris sedge oil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is for for acne scars that acne leave behind. So this is the packaging of Dot and Key skincare products. So this is the products. I love the color. So yeah, that's that. I have not tried this one, but soon I will try and give you a review. So as you know, because I'm suffering with severe acne issues, and the currently you can't see because it covers with makeup, but I have acne and acne scars all over my face. So that's why I'm purchasing products that's meant for acne and acne scars. I'm trying and see what happens. So the next product is again from Dot and Key. This is the Dot and Key green screen skin detox smoothie with SPF 20. It is the day cream. Okay, so again I have not used this product. I will soon use this product and review it for you guys. So you will see how this works, but this looks very promising, and I like Dot and Key as a skincare brand. It has SPF 20, so very good. You don't need to apply another sunscreen layer unless you are in home. So yeah, that's a day cream. By the way, soon I will be purchasing a night cream also. So yeah. And the another skincare product is again from Dot and Key. It's like Maybelline and Dot and Key haul, not the okay. So this is the Dot and Key Skin Essentials Night Serum. So because I'm hitting 20, like I'm 20 years old, so I need a good night serum and night cream to prevent my skin from premature aging, because like I'm 20. Like if you are 20 or more than 20, start using products with retinol or something anti-aging. So sad to say, but I have to use this one, and in available is Dot and Key, and I like Dot and Key serum. So this is my fourth serum from Dot and Key. Can you imagine? I have so much Dot and Key in my home. So yeah, that's a night serum. I have not used it. I will soon use it and give you the review. So stay tuned. And the another product, this is not Dot and Key. Dot and Key is over. Okay, the other product is from Blue Heaven. You see Blue Heaven for the first time on a video. So this is the Blue Heaven lip balm. I have actually two lip balm. Okay, so one is this lip balm, and this is the other lip balm. I have used this lip balm and it is almost over. So I like this lip balm a lot from Blue Heaven. Actually, I'm shocked that how can Blue Heaven lip balm be so good, because this lip balm is very thick, because I have extremely chapped lips, so I need a good thick lip balm, and this is perfect. So I bought two lip balm, and this is in the form bubble gum. Yeah, this is in the flavor bubble gum, and this is in the flavor coca chocolate. Shea butter, I think. Coca butter. Okay, coca butter. So let me open this one and show you how it actually looks. Okay, so this is how it looks, and okay, this is how it smells like cocoa chocolate. So this is how it looks. So I have used, now you can imagine how much I have used. So this is the comparison. I've used this one a lot. So yeah. But I'm also using the Nivea one also. That's my OG. I can't just leave it. That's my favorite. Always go back to the Nivea one. So, and the last product from skincare category, and I have not purchased this, I got for free. This is actually not got for free. I have got this as my birthday gift from Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa. So this is the Nykaa saffron and honey glowing face wash. I have not used this one because I'm using another face wash for my skin. So yeah, that's I got. But I know for the fact that this will good. Like it looks good, and Nykaa skincare is also very good. So this is a Nykaa face wash. So as you all know, March is my birthday month, and so that's why I got for free because I'm a Prime member at Nykaa. So because I purchase a lot from Nykaa. Okay, so guys, I've also got some brushes from Nykaa. So this is like I got 3 brushes. Let me tell you one by one. This is a foundation brush from Nykaa. Let me just open it for you. And oh my god. The foundation brush looks like this, and it got a nice thick dense bristles. I've not used this one, but when I use I will definitely tell you how this one works. So this is very like thick and nice foundation brush, very good quality, and this is like a flat foundation brush because I've used a Nykaa brush before, the concealer brush. I know it like the quality is good. This is the concealer brush that I have used before. I've purchased this one before, so I like the quality. That's why I go and buy another Nykaa brushes. And the second brush is the highlighter brush from Nykaa, and it is also very good. So I feel like this is a little thin from the outside, but yeah, that's fine. It works as a good highlighter brush. So this is very nice. The price I will just mention on the screen. And the third Nykaa brush is the stippling brush. Guys, it's very important if you like do makeup, have a good stippling brush. This is from a Nykaa, and yeah, it works very great like when you complete your makeup and just want to give a nice good airbrush finish, just stipple it all around and it sets everything. So it's a very good like brush. It's also very good and also very must have, like an important brush. So yeah, that's it for my haul, Nykaa haul. If you're wondering about this makeup look, the tutorial of this makeup look is in my Instagram, IGTV. So I will link my Instagram handle in the description, and all of the product detail will be in the description. So don't forget to check it out description as well. And yep, I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe before leaving. Bye.